Hi, fellow engineers. Congrats pala kay President Ariel for this successful sa day 1 natin sa lecture series. And ano pa ba yung inaabangan natin sa susunod? Boss Otep.
Guys, we were so overwhelmed this morning and this afternoon's lecture of President Ariel. No? And we are so happy. We were not expecting this number of civil engineers at the same time, architects and other practicing industry leaders in the civil engineering world. Ganda po nung naging acceptance nila, no? Hindi namin akalain. And we are preparing for another lecture series. The second day or the day 2 is coming November 19. It will be all about design of 4-story building using reinforced concrete design. So mas maganda po yung ma-expect natin during this whole day activity and lecture seminar series. So watch out guys. Sana po pumunta kayo. I'm sure you will learn a lot from this seminar. Thank you guys and back to you, President, ang aming boss ng CIAD.
Okay, so abangan, no? Itong makasama ko will be the co-presenters of that topic, the reinforced concrete of buildings. So I've done my part here in the day 1, so they will be theirs in the day 2. So abangan, itong dalawa, plus yung ating main speaker, si Dr. Alan Butulian. Watch out, and please like and share yung ating Facebook page ng SIA, the Structural Engineers Association of Davao. Back to you, Marv.
For more details, check the details below guys. Thank you.
Thank you guys. See you.